Late spring and early summer has seen a profusion of baby birds in our garden, the first of 6 species being the house sparrow. The juveniles look similar to the adult females, but their behaviour and sometimes the remnant of a gape flange give them away. Next up, starlings. The juveniles are the same size and shape as the adults, but plain brown all over at this age. With blue tits and great tits, the giveaway is that the youngsters have a washed out yellowish tinge to them, what I like to refer to as a lemon wash. It shows quite well on this blue tit, and also on this great tit. Not quite so obvious on this great tit, it just looks a bit lacking in contrast. Goldfinch now. Here's an adult on the right, juvenile on the left. No red face or bold head markings on the juvenile, and none of that zonal shading on the breast. In fact, the youngster is just a streaky brown bird, except for the almost adult-like wings, black with the yellow bar like the adults, but the tips of the primary and secondary wing feathers are buff rather than white. Finally, the robin, basically a speckly brown bird without the smart orange breast of the adults. This individual though has probably been out of the nest a good few weeks, because it's just starting to show some ruddy tones in the upper breast area. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and keep enjoying the wonders of nature God has blessed us with. Cheerio.